Good afternoon on this stormy August the 6th. I just got off work and now I'm going to intercept a severe thunderstorm in Butler County. So this is warned until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And up in Mercer County earlier this afternoon, there was a storm that was tornado warned, but that was allowed to expire. And the area is under a severe thunderstorm watch until 7 p.m. So hopefully this line of storms brings cooler and drier air. I'm so over this humid air. The sky looks very ominous. And sometimes you don't need a tornado to do any damage. Straight line winds can do just as much damage as a weak tornado. Remember, you want to have multiple ways to receive warnings. So this line of storms is severe warned. And there's been a history of heavy rain and hail occurring with these storms. I'm using my phone. I don't have my camera gear and this does not want to focus, so I apologize about blurring in and out. Visibility is very low. Rain is definitely coming down in sheets. So if you're out on the road, pull over way off the road is a safe place. Yeah, I'm getting a free car wash. I'll take that. Round 2 of storm chasing today. I managed to intercept a line of severe storms on my way home from work. I didn't have to go out of my way. It was conveniently right along my way home from work. And I'm not a fan of driving through town at this hour. It's about 20 to 5. So everybody's trying to get home, which I know what that's like whenever I want to get home from work. So I'm going to be heading north. Not sure where yet. I'll probably stop in West Sunbury, check radar, and go from there. Right now, the Butler Farm Show is going on from August 5th through August 10th. And guess what? The sun's trying to come out. But, here's the but part. Don't let your guard down because the sun is going to fuel strong storms here within the next couple of hours. So a lot of people are heading out to the farm show thinking, oh good, it's clearing up. Let's head out. Well, just be careful. Keep an eye to the sky. And just be weather savvy, because these storms are packing the punch and they mean business. Already in northeastern Ohio, there are some tornado warnings and severe thunderstorm warnings. And they are heading southeast. So they're heading this way. And make sure you have multiple ways to receive warnings. To be honest with you, I cannot stand the smell of restaurant food. Right now it's making my stomach a little bit queasy because you got Ponderosa, Wendy's, McDonald's, Eaton Park, Texas Roadhouse, Dragon Place, Compadre. So these are all the restaurants at the Clearview Mall. And Arby's. I forgot about Arby's. I thought for sure once that first line of storms went through that would destabilize the atmosphere, but now we have the sun, and that's just juicing things up. And the sun is an ingredient in the formation of thunderstorms. You need to have instability, which is caused by heating, and lift, and the cold front mechanism. Those are the three things you need for severe storms. Right now, I'm in West Sunbury re-evaluating things, and there is a tornado warning for eastern Ohio, just northwest of Youngstown. So I'm just gonna sit here and wait and monitor things. I might have to reposition. So just stay tuned. This is the cell I'm watching. It's near Warren, Ohio. It's moving east-southeast at 23 miles per hour. And it has a strong rotation signature on it. So this is the one I'm going to be keeping an eye on for the next hour, half hour, hour. Okay, just checked radar, and there is a tornado warning for western Mercer County until 5:45 p.m. So if you are like in the Hermitage area, take shelter now. Get to the lowest level of your home or business. If you do not have a basement, put as many walls between you and the outside as possible. Put your shoes on in case you have to escape and there's glass everywhere. And take a pillow with you when you go into cover, just to cover your head. And that is for western Mercer County until 5:45 p.m. That was the cell I was talking about earlier. It had broad rotation to it. So I'm just heading north into Mercer County. I'm on Route 173. Route 173 right now in northwest Butler County. And I'm going to be driving through Slippery Rock Borough. Earlier in this video, the sun is warming the atmosphere, and that is one of the ingredients needed for thunderstorm formation. And plus we have a cold front, so that's another ingredient. So I'm heading northwest on Route 173. I'm going to be approaching Slippery Rock Borough here in just a few minutes. So I have a feeling the warning might be extended. That's if it, keeps up its, I shouldn't say good work. I can't think of the wording to say now. But that's if it, keeps plugging away. On Route 258, I just went through Slippery Rock Borough, and I'm going to meet up with the storm. Hot date. Yeah, right. I'm just trying to bring humor to things, but if you are in the path of the storm, seriously, take cover. And even if there is no tornado, straight line winds can do as much damage as a low-end tornado. So take shelter, stay away from windows, get to the lowest level of your home. And if you don't have a basement, put as many walls between you and the outside as possible. I know I sound like a broken record. In fact, vinyls are making the comeback, which I thought they would never make a comeback. My generation, I'm a Generation X, so we had vinyls, cassette tapes, CDs. iPods? Yeah, I think iPods. YouTube. We've been through so many different genres of music. I should be coming into Mercer County here very shortly. Northwest, so I'm getting myself into position. Yep, here's the Mercer County line. Mercer County, Liberty Township. And oh my gosh, another tornado came up for Mahoning County, Ohio. That's in the extreme eastern part of Ohio. It would include areas like Youngstown, Canfield, but they are under a tornado warning right now. So I'm just going to head north. I was there about 5 years ago. I took my daughter. Great place. Only issue with Keystone Safari, there were barely any trees for shade. But it's nice because you get to see the animals. That's another place I recommend. I gab a lot during these videos, but I also want to educate you guys on weather and teach you how to be weather savvy, because it can end up saving your life. Show I was working. There were strong storms that moved through the area earlier this late morning, early afternoon. Missed that show because I was at work. Okay, I'm approaching the premium outlets at Grove City. It got really dark. This is the village of London. I'm gonna pull off here. Stay green. Oh, stay green. There's an old abandoned schoolhouse. They should fix that up, make it like an Airbnb, restore it and restore it. Don't put these new 2024 colors, and just restore it, make it like a cute tourist attraction. For a place to pull off and just view the sky. Oh, good. Yep, northwest. That's where all the action's happening. So if you're in Mercer County, take shelter now. This is looking over I-79. North into the storm. There's really no good vantage point. I'm just keeping an eye on the sky. Got all these trees, and I'm not familiar with this area in Mercer County. Oh my gosh. Very ominous looking. Now, if there's a place to pull off, I'm pulling off. Wow, look at that. Looks like a shelf cloud, roll cloud. Wow, that's amazing. Camera's wobbly. So I just want to slow down so I can observe. So I'm just going to pull off here on Lee Road. I'm just gonna observe the storm. I'm just looking for any signs of rotation. Wow. The warning has been allowed to expire, but it still looks very ominous. Please do not let your guard down. I know I'm going to be getting wet here pretty soon. Oh, that sky is dark. Oh my gosh. There is a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Mercer County until 6:30 p.m. slowing up, so I'm going to hit the road and head south. I'm going to work my way back home and see if there's anything I can document on the drive home. But I did the smart thing and pulled off in a safe place way off the road. Well, I'm at SRU, Slippery Rock University, my alma mater, and storms have pretty much moved through the area. The severe thunderstorm watch is on till 7 p.m. So that's going to expire in just half an hour. So thankfully, we didn't get any tornadoes. I don't know about strong winds. I did see some branches laying along the side of the road, but nothing too remarkable. Well, everybody have a great day. Enjoy the colder temperatures and enjoy the rest of your summer.